members purchased books? Good. So remaining members also buy books, ma. So today onwards I am going to start our syllabus. Okay? Listen carefully. Already we learned in previous classes numbers, number names, before number, after number and between numbers. So in our syllabus also today I am starting with numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? 1 to 100 numbers. Understood? So can you read the numbers from 1 to 100? Yes. Start reading along with me. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So read. All of you read remaining numbers also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let me write on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Read along with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After that, yes, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What is next? 50 after? Yes, very good. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Next? Yes. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Good. Next. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After that, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Next, 91, 92, 93, 94, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After that, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Next, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Okay. Next, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So listen children, everybody has to write 1 to 100 numbers in your classroom. Okay? Are you following? So write 1 to 100 numbers in your classroom. This is our first chapter. Write the chapter name. After that write 1 to 100 numbers in your classroom. Now all of you take out your textbook's content book. This is your content book and this is your workbook. Okay? This is your workbook and this is your content book. Now all of you take out your content book page number 9. In page number 9. So all of you open content book page number 9. So here fill in the blanks are given. In practice zone 1, fill in the blanks are given. Understood? Practice zone 1. In practice zone 1, they are given fill in the blanks. So now we learn no numbers. From that only they are given blanks. So first one is 13. 13 after they are given blank box. So there is no number. There is no number. Next they are given 15. After that 3 empty boxes are there. 2 empty boxes are there and the last box 18 is given. Now we have to fill these numbers. Understood? So now we have to fill these numbers. Everybody is ready with your textbook, content book and pencil eraser. So those who are not taken books, quick, take out your books all of you. Page number 9. In page number 9, practice zone 1. So first one, 13. After that, we have to fill these boxes. So 13 after, very good, 14. Next 15 is given. 15 after, yes, 16. After that, 17. And the last number also given. Okay? Now, second question. I will explain second question also. You have to do remaining 2. Now 30, 31. Next 2 empty boxes are there. After 30, 31. After that, what is the next number? 31 after? Very good. 32. After that, good. 33. Are you following? Very good. 34 after? 35. 35. Now complete remaining two. Third question and fourth one. Complete these two. I will enter the question, but you have to answer in your book. You have to write your own. 65. Complete in your textbook. I will write question on the board. You have to complete the answer in your book. 67. And two empty boxes are there. And the next question. 94. 96. And three empty boxes are there. Fill it fast. Fill these boxes. 65. They are not given the first number. 65. Before 65 is? Yes. Good. 64. 65 after? What is the next number? Very good. 66. After that, 67 after? Yes. 68. After that, 68 after? 69. Good. Completed everybody? So complete the last one also. हाँ 94 after? 95. After that, 96. 96 after? Very good. 97. After that, 97 after? Very good. 98. After that, 99. Finished everybody? Once check your answers, ma. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I will read the answers once. Look after your book. Check your answers. 30, 31. After that, 32. After that, 33, 34, 35. Next, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay. Next, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Finished everybody? Good. Finished? Now listen. Here, this is 14. 14. So 14 is 14 comes before 14 comes before. So this is 14. So 14 will come before 15. Understood? So 14 comes before 14 comes before 15. And 14 15 kanna mundu vastundi. So 14 comes after 13. 13 after 14, no? So it is nothing but 14 comes after 13. Understood? 14 comes after 13 and 14 comes before 15. And 14 13 kanna 13 తర్వాత వస్తుంది. And 14 15 కన్నా ముందు వస్తుంది. Understood? So we have to write 14 comes before 15 and 14 comes after 13. Similarly say 35 which number comes after 90? So dash comes after 90. Which number comes after 90? 91 or 90? 89. So which number comes after 90? Very good. 91 comes after 90. 91 comes after 90. అంటే 91 వస్తుంది 90 తర్వాత. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 40 comes before. 40 comes before. 40 comes before. Before which number? Very good. 41. 40 comes before 41. Now 96 comes between. 96 comes between. This is 96. This is 96. It is in between. It is in between 95 and 97. Understood? 96 comes between 95 and 97. Understood? 96 comes between 95 and 97. So 96 comes after which number? 96 comes after which number? 96 comes after. This is 96. 96. 96 is after which number? 95 after 96. So 96 comes after 95. And 96 comes before. 96 comes before. Before which number? 96 comes before. A number కన్నా ముందు వస్తుంది before. A number కి before ఉంటుంది 96. So here 97 is there now. 97 before is 96. So 96 comes before 97. Understood? Before, after and between numbers. Now all of you open practice zone 2, page number 10. So this is page number 10, practice zone 2. Understood? This is practice zone 2. All of you open the number that comes before. So complete before numbers, after numbers and between numbers. I will give 2 minutes time for everybody. So you have to complete A, B, C bits. 3 questions are there. Take out page number 10. In page number 10. The number that comes before. First question, the number that comes before. That comes before. Do it fast, Nana. First one is 18. Second question is 65. And third question is numbers will comes after 22? 22. And next, what is the number comes after 47? Next, 92. So you have to write the after numbers. Okay, complete it fast. And next, third one, the number that comes between. The number that comes between numbers. So first one, 36, 38. So what is the between number of 36 and 38? The next one, 84, 86. And the last one is 56, 56 and 58. Completed everybody? Completed everybody? Okay, good. Now I am going to explain once again. So the number that comes before 18. So what is the number before 18? Before 18 is, what is the number before 18? Yes, it is nothing but 17. Good. Next, what is the number before? Which number comes before 65? Before 65. 65. Good. 64 is the before number. And next, the number that comes before 100. Before 100 is? Before 100. The number that comes before 100. So what is that number? Good. 99. Everybody did correct? Very good. Next, the number that comes after. So here we have to write the after numbers. So what is the number comes after 22? 22 after? Very good. 23. 47. So the number that comes after 47 is? 47 is? Good. 48. And next, the number that comes after 92. 92 after? 93. Next, the number that comes between numbers we have to write. So what is the number in between 36 and 38? Between 36 and 38. Yes, it is nothing but 37. Okay, it is nothing but 37. Next, 84 and 86. In between 84 and 86. Good. 85. In between 56 and 58. What is the number comes between 56 and 58? 56 and 58 is 57. 57. Understand? Yes. Once check your answers, ma. All of you check your answers. Check your answers. Now take out your workbooks. All of you take out your workbooks. Open page number 5. So open page number 5. Here in first bit, fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Already we learned in practice zone 1. Missing numbers. 3. 3 of that. So cups are given. On the cups they are given the numbers. 3. 3 of that. What is that missing number? 4. 5. After 6. 7. Next 8. complete these 5. So missing numbers, here numbers are there, some numbers are missed, you have to fill that numbers. Understood? And the next question, already I explained the number names in previous class. So first one, write the number names of the following. Okay, leave that. Go for next one. What comes after? So what comes after? So you have to write the after numbers. 54 after. Next 32 after. 48 after. 87. So you have to write the after numbers. And next, what comes before? So what comes before 20? And what comes before 38? Which number comes before 59? And which number comes before 98? So you have to write before numbers. And the next question is, what comes in between? Fifth question. Here numbers are given. We have to fill the missing number between numbers. Okay, 11, 13. So what is the number in between 11 and 13? You have to write that number in this box. And next 24, 26. What is the between number of 24 and 26? Next, what is the between number of 48 and 50? Okay. And next 80, 82. Between number of 80 and 82. And next between number of 87 and 89. And the last one, what is the between number of 94 and 96? Understood? So you have to do your homework in worksheet. In worksheet page number 5, first bit. And in page number 6. In page number 6, third bit, fourth bit and fifth bit. Leave this second bit. Afterwards, we can do these number names. Leave this one. So first bit, third bit, fourth bit and fifth bit in your worksheet. Understood? So your today's homework is homework, page number 5, first bit. In page number 5, first bit. And next page number 6. In sixth page, third, fourth, fifth bits. 3, 4, 5 bits. These sums you have to do. Understood?